Next we will talk about Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat meets regularly, and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs for all villages that come under it. But what kind of work they do? What kind of work Gram Panchayat do? Number one, they manage like construction and manage of water resources, roads, build dams, tanks, etc. and other common property resources. They also collected taxes. They also collecting taxes and executing government schemes also related to generating employment only. They also execute government schemes related to generating employment in the village. But the main point is this, that the work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. Now, what is the fund source? What is the fund source? What is the fund source for the working of Gram Panchayat? Number one, collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. Number two, government schemes, funds received through various departments through the Janpads and the Jilla Panchayats. Number three, donations for community works. Okay. Now, next point is three levels of government. What are the three levels of government? The Panchayati Raj is a process through which people participate in their own government. The Panchayati Raj system has a three level of government. Number one is Gram Panchayat. This is the first level in the Panchayati Raj system, and this Gram Panchayat is only works at the village level. Second tier in the Panchayati Raj system is Janpad Panchayat. And Janpad Panchayat works only at the block level. Number three is district panchayat, and district panchayat works at the district level. Works at the district level. Panchayati Raj, Gram Panchayat. Now, Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj, number one is the top level is the district panchayat, and this is also called district level, and district level also called Jila Parishad. Jila Parishad. Below the or under the district panchayat, there is Janpat Panchayat, block level, and it works on block level. Block level contains many villages, and the block is bigger than a village, and this is also called Panchayat Samiti. Under the Janpat Panchayat, there is Gram Panchayat. They works on village level, and this is the first level of the democratic government in rural areas. They are answerable to the Gram Sabha and has one or more than one villages under it. Next, we discuss about Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti, they works on block level, and it is also called Janpat Panchayat. One important point is this, that many gram panchayats are a part of the Panchayat Samiti. Means the Panchayat Samiti has many gram panchayats under it. We will discuss about Jila Parishad. Jila Parishad, it works on district level, and it is also called district panchayat. It has two duties. The Jila Parishad makes developmental plans at the district level, and it also regulates the money distribution among all the gram panchayats. Means the funds or the money given by the government to the panchayat and how to manage it. All these functions are handled by the Jila Parishad. All these functions are handled by the Jila Parishad. Now, the Panchayat, and one more thing, Panchayat Samiti also helps in helps the Jila Parishad in this. Next, but in this working, is this working same in the whole country? Is there any difference between them? It varies from state to state. In some states, a village meeting is held for each village, for each individual. Each state in the country has its own laws. Means each state has its own laws regarding this Panchayati Raj system, all the states of the country have the right to make their own laws, and they may vary from state to state, but it has some limitations. These laws should be in accordance of the Constitution of India. Okay, clear? But why? Every place is not equal. Social structure and social organization is different from other. If the laws are made common for all the states, then the panchayats will not be able to work freely and follow democracy. The idea is to give more and more space for people to participate in the democracy. Clear? In addition to the things discussed above, one thing I want to share with you is about NGP. NGP means Nirmal Gram Panchayat. Nirmal Gram Panchayat. This award was started by this is the name of the award, Nirmal Gram Panchayat, Nirmal Gram Puraskar, and this is the name of the award, and this award was started by Indian government for panchayats. In this scheme, Nirmal Gram Puraskar, in this scheme, to promote the government, to promote sanitation in rural areas. The panchayat who did its work efficiently for sanitation will be given this award, and this thing will motivate the panchayat to do their work very accurately and efficiently. Now children, this completes the explanation of the chapter number 5 from Civics, that is Panchayati Raj. We have covered all the important points. I hope you understood it. Thank you.